And special thanks to our friends over at this company who were nice enough to send us this front and rear dash cam. This did win a Red Dot Design Award. It has a 4K front-facing camera with a 1080p rear-facing camera, GPS tracking, 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi, and 24-hour parking monitor. On the bottom here, you kind of get that same information, the 4K front recording resolution, the super night vision, the built-in 5G Wi-Fi and GPS/app control, loop recording /G sensor /parking monitor, and just the top is company info, nothing on the sides, and the back just says Dashcam 4K Plus and Dashcam 4K sticker here. So let's slide the top off of this box. Very nice. So let's take a look at everything we get here. So we have, this looks to be your instruction manual, nothing else in there. So yes, owner's manual. This will tell you everything that I will not be showing you in my video, from the app setup to how to record things, all of that. I'm just gonna unbox it here. Then we've also got some other stuff here. This is probably cables. So inside of this box, yes. So that's it for that box. So these are a couple of little mounts. You can see they have double-sided tape. They would be good for like running the cable to the back, as well as a little tool to help get underneath your car's plastic so you can tuck that cable away. Then we've got some cables here. So this cable is got a little double-sided sticky tape here as well. So this cable will plug into the device and plug into another device, whether it's the rear camera. This is probably the rear camera. It looks to be a pretty long cable. And then this is for the power. This will power the whole device. So you can see here, this has an included micro USB cable here. This will plug into the main camera. This cable will then plug into the main camera for the rear camera, and everything works together. This will of course plug into your cigarette lighter to give it power while you're driving. Then what else we got in here? These are the cameras here, and that's essentially it for the box. So these are a few placement stickers to help you place the devices however you may need. You can clean or use the protective film. And then in here is the cameras. So this one looks to be the rear facing camera. It is. So you can see it's got some double-sided tape here on the bottom. You can loosen this to angle it however you may want, depending on which way it's facing out your car. And then this little special proprietary connector here plugs into this little special proprietary connector here so that everything gets power. And so you'll see in a moment, you would then be able to take this side of the cable to plug into the main 4K camera. So this is the main 4K camera. So as you can see, same little double-sided tape here that they give you an extra one of. Got some vents here on the bottom as well as here on the side, and you've got some indicators so you know recording, GPS, mic, etc. You can actually angle this however you may need. I've genuinely thought about using these for some vlogs, but 4K with Wi-Fi and app support. As you can see here, it does include a little micro SD card. So they give you a 64 gigabyte micro SD card with the item. Gotta love that. Your USB port, which is for the power, and then this one that says rear is where this little plug goes in like so. So you'd be able to run this throughout your car, plug it all up, hide your cables, plug it into your cigarette lighter port, and you would have full monitoring of your car from the front and the back. So I'll essentially do it for this 4K Wi-Fi app-enabled dash camera. Thanks again to this company who was nice enough to send it to me. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.